Hi, I'm Frank from ButterflyMX's partner team. I'm here today in our New York City office, and in this video, we'll show you how to properly mount our video intercom backplate to the wall.
First, mark the drill holes for the intercom's backplate. Please use the mounting template that is provided with the intercom. After marking the holes using the template, you'll need to drill the new holes and insert the provided anchors, making sure they are properly secured in place. Next, you'll need to install the mini mount. The mini mount is used to hold the backplate and intercom in place when securing the backplate to the wall. Before securing the backplate, please ensure the wires are pulled through the provided hole underneath the backplate. Using the mini mount to hold it in place, you can now screw the screws for the backplate into the wall.
And that's how you mount our video intercom backplate to the wall. Thanks for watching.